Hey, how's it going, everyone? If you know me, you know I am absolutely obsessed with our family's rescue dog, Sugar. This girl right here, huh? We adopted her, I don't know, 7 years ago, and she is an essential member of our family. And I gotta say, adoption is an amazing thing. When you go to the shelter, you see all those dogs, you find that one that's perfect for your family, for your home. It's a no-brainer. And I encourage you all to get out there and help NBC Local clear the shelters. Find your pet, find your cat, find your dog, find that animal that's gonna make a big difference in your home and in your family. Right, Shuggy? Right, Shuggy Bear? On Georgia Rescue, we love the work that foster homes and shelters do so much that we have actually rescued 2. Check out these 2 very memorable rescues where we helped out some very dedicated animal lovers.
The Montclair Township Animal Shelter is a place where we take care of stray, surrendered, abandoned animals so that they could be adopted to loving homes.
We're doing just under 500 adoptions a year. Our philosophy is if we're asking animals to be in cages temporarily waiting for adopters, they're going to have the best of everything and all the creatured comforts possible.
On any given day, we can have upwards of 150 animals in this building. The majority of the animals that we house here are dogs and cats, but we've had lizards, we've had turtles, we've had fish, birds, rabbits, guinea pigs. We've even had a pig surrendered here who we named Fred, who was originally named Bacon, by the way, and we were not happy with that, so we renamed him Fred.
The shelter's staff works tirelessly to support animals in need. But 2 years ago, a devastating event placed their future in doubt.
It was a 2-alarm fire. The building was filled with smoke. I was shaking and I knew I could not get 73 animals out of the building.
The community's brave response was nothing short of a miracle. More than 70 animals were in the shelter that day, and every single one made it out alive. The township's dedication and resilience have helped get the shelter up and running again. But there's one major project they've been unable to tackle.
So our back area is prison-like. It reminds me of a prison yard.
When you look back there, there's barbed wire. Why is there barbed wire in an animal shelter? This isn't a prison. The courtyard area is unsafe, and when we've been able to take them out there, it's only been for 5 minutes at a time. The concrete has been terrible for their paws, and when you only have a dog out of the kennel for 5 minutes, it does nothing to relieve that frustration. Animals can't rely on themselves. We have friends and family and jobs, and all they have is us. It's important to keep that in the forefront and never forget that.
Hey, Liz.
How are you?
Yeah. So good to see you guys. All of you guys are really the reason we came here. What you guys do for the animals who don't have homes and you find them homes and what you do every day, that's what it's all about. And without further ado, what do you say? You want to see this? Yeah, everyone ready?
There's grass. There's grass.
It was beyond any expectation I had. I didn't think this was possible. I absolutely didn't think it was possible.
I have to touch it again. Oh. There's grass.
I cannot believe this is artificial grass. I've never seen anything like this in my life.
Wow, the grass.
I know, we love the grass.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
And the fire hydrant. The fire hydrant is hilarious.
Oh my God, this is absolutely incredible.
Oh my God. Never in my wildest dreams would I have thought that it would look like this. It feels like we've been transported to the English countryside.
Watching the dogs come out was absolutely incredible.
Yep, give it a pee, break it in. Break it in.
How lucky are they to be able to come out here, roll around on grass, which, quite honestly, some of them haven't even ever been on grass. They've been in cages their whole lives.
As you could see, Kiara's face, she was actually smiling, so it makes them very, very happy.
It's just going to be a total game changer for them, that they can come out here now and play with each other and roll around, and it's safe and it's fun.
I'm Molly Sheldrick. I'm a foster mother to special needs dogs. Also, I take dogs from the shelter and bring them home to foster. If you call me up and say, hey Molly, you need to foster this dog, I say okay.
There's sometimes on my way home, I'm in my head, I'm like, what is going to be in the house?
It can run, it can jump, it can do whatever. I'll take it in.
It could be a pig, a goat. Last week, it was a pigeon. I do the fun stuff, the cuddles. She changes the diapers. She cooks for them. She cooks, she cleans.
I love it. I love what I do. I love bringing them home. I love seeing them transform from a sad dog to a happy dog. I love animals, always have.
During this extremely difficult year, the rescue community has stepped up like never before. But even still, there is a major need for more welcoming families. Molly and Chris are making the most of their current backyard, but a more welcoming space would lead to happier, healthier animals and more life-changing adoptions.
The biggest challenge here in my house is my backyard. Everything you see, the mulch, the concrete is higher than the mulch.
The mulch is just deteriorating. It brings bugs. It's just nasty.
So Gizmo, he was left in an apartment when everything was starting with the pandemic. He is paralyzed. He's never going to walk. He has to depend on a wheelchair. He has a hard time with the mulch because of his wheelchair. He really can't go places back here. He can't move. If you put him down, he wants to go.
Yeah. He doesn't know he's paralyzed.
Thank you. Thank you.
Air high fives, air knuckles. That was only appropriate to pass the torch. It was Rich and his team from CLC. They're the ones that made this all happen. Chris, I know that you're along for the ride with Molly, and it's an insane ride, but it comes from such a wonderful place in your heart, and we need people like you in this world. So why don't you guys check out what we're calling Chris and Molly's Sanctuary. Welcome home.
Beautiful.
Huh?
Oh, they have the logo.
A lot of the same, but all totally different.
This is beautiful.
Wow.
That's beautiful. Thank you. It's a beautiful backyard. Everything, the furniture, the stuff for the dogs, it's great. I mean, it's awesome. I can't say anything else but awesome. It really is beautiful. That's my husband. This is cool for them. This looks bigger than before. This looks awesome. I'm really shocked. The old yard was crappy. It was mosquito filled. The dogs could not have played in it. It was muddy, it was dirty, it was disgusting. And now, it's freaking amazing.
Wow, weren't those backyard transformations absolutely amazing? To be a dog, jumping over those obstacles, running through the grass, that is a dream come true. I hope we have inspired you to adopt a furball of your own, find a participating shelter, and help us by adopting a pet and clear the shelters. We need your help to clear the shelters. Adopt and donate today to help make a difference in your local community. Visit cleartheshelters.com to learn more. Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.